our Carolinian Forest. Brought the tractor back here to move some stuff out of the way. So we're just making a trail. We've got this log right here. It's blocking the trail because we want to be going through that away. We're going to see what it's all about, but you can see how the trees are dying further out. And we've got this stuff. I moved this tree here out of the road with our loader. And then also, this is a good example of a cordless chainsaw. As you can see, she can do the job. It's called a hypertuff. And they're a nice little unit. Okay, so that's it for now. We're going to call it a day and get the gas stills to work cutting up these trees so it can start clearing trails. Okay, that's it.